It's a story of a company that started in 1931 as a small sales agency. Today, a giant group that spans across 5 continents, that has 50,000 employees, that partner with the world's most loved brands. It's a story of powering brands. It's a story of an unbeatable Smollan Group. Smollan has a legacy of providing consistent excellence in marketing services to multiple channels across a broad spectrum of industries. With India emerging as a promising consumer market in the world, in 2008, Smollan started its operations here through a joint venture with Hindustan Unilever Limited. Smollan India has 2 entities, Hindustan Field Services Private Limited and Smollan Services Private Limited.
I am personally delighted with the work which HFS has done, and so is everyone within the HUL family. We look to Smollan's not as a partner for HUL, but very much an integral part of the company.
Within a short span of 7 years, Smollan India has progressed by leaps and bounds. Its clientele includes prestigious brands like Unilever, Samsung, Hershey's, and Kellogg's.
So what's our vision? We want to be leaders in the field we operate in. What got us here won't get us where we want to be. We must get back our focus on our core, which is execution. This we will get through strategy processes, people processes, and operational processes.
Headquartered at the heart of the business capital in India, Mumbai, Smollan has a very young, vibrant, skilled, and highly knowledgeable workforce of over 200 executives and close to 12,500 field associates. They cover the length and breadth of the country through its 24 offices located in India.
People and technology are at the heart of everything we do. Our task is very simple and clear: to win in the marketplace and to deliver sustainable growth to our clients.
The core of Smollan's success lies in its pillars: people, process, and technology. Through our unique field marketing science, we help our clients design optimized route to market and service mix.
We have improved significantly in the areas of on-shelf availability, the assortment that we drive, the share of shelf and speed to shelf and paid visibility at the point of purchase.
Our operational intelligence teams help our client with audit and measurements, real-time dashboards, reporting, and business insights in a very user-friendly manner. Smollan clients have real-time visibility on how their assets are deployed, whether the products are available as per norms, and have uniform customer experience across all stores.
With our consistent delivery and continuous efforts, with the new ways of working and flawless execution, we could able to deliver the best results in this year in the area of market share growth, in the area of secondary growth, also grown in contact conversion and sales.
Smollan Technology acts as a catalyst to deliver growth for their clients. Technology is also used effectively to capture real-time field information, deliver executive dashboards, business intelligence reports, and to know consumer behaviors.
So what Smollan does, simple thing. You have a handheld device with which he inputs all the data, collects the data, books the order, geotags our outlet, and that tells us how effectively the gentleman is working on the market.
With our global teams, we are able to cross-pollinate the IT best practices and innovations in local markets.
With our unrivaled industry experience, exceptional human platform, and sophisticated systems, Smollan has a legacy of providing consistent excellence in operational execution.
The proof of the pudding is in the results, and the results were absolutely stark. As I said, our market share went up to an all-time high, and I'm very sure that the Smollan's partnership that we are having is going to enable Hershey to win in India.
So I think very, very clearly Smollan's have brought to this understanding
in terms of what will get the shopper to spend more time with the breakfast ambassadors in the aisle.
A big thank you from everyone in Smollan's and in Unilever India. And I look forward to the next decade of this relationship, where I'm sure in the next 5 years, when we talk about HFS, it would probably be the best execution company not only in the Unilever world, but I'm confident in the entire FMCG world across the globe.